Hi there, health enthusiasts. Are you battling chronic bad breath? You are definitely not alone. Today we are diving into a surprisingly effective home remedy that can help you freshen your breath naturally. Let's jump right in. I get it. You might be wondering, why me? Chronic bad breath can really take a toll on your social life and confidence. Picture this. You are trying to strike up a conversation and suddenly the other person is backing away as if you just unleashed a dragon. So, what do most people reach for? Mouthwash or mints, right? But here is the catch. Those quick fixes often don't tackle the root of the problem. It's like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. And while professional treatments can be effective, but let's face it, who has the time or budget for that? There are surprising home remedies that can fix bad breath. Now, let's get to the good stuff. I'm talking about a simple mix of baking soda and lemon. Yes, you heard me right. Here is why it works. Baking soda fights off some pesky bacteria that cause bad breath, while lemon adds a refreshing kick and helps balance your mouth's pH level. Here is how to use it. Combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with the juice of half a lemon. Mix it until it's bubbly and frothy, like a fun science experiment. Swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds, then rinse. Simple, right? But what if lemon aren't your thing? No problem. Just use baking soda mixed with water. It works wonders too. Here is additional tips for fresh breaths. Now that we have our remedy sorted, let's chat about some extra tips for keeping your breath fresh. First off, pay attention to your diet. Stay clear of strong smelling food like garlic and onions. Instead, load up on fresh veggies and yogurts. And don't forget about daily habits. Brushing and flossing are crucial. Think of hydration as giving your mouth a mini spa day. Here is a quickie tip. Try some simple exercise for oral health. Yes, I mean exercises. Flexing those cheek muscles will be just what we need. As for me, I once used this remedy during an awkward date. Thankfully, my breath was fresher than my jokes. So there you have it, a straightforward yet effective remedy to tackle chronic bad breath naturally. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit from fresher breath. And drop a comment below if you try this remedy or have any other tips to share. I love to hear your stories. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video. Bye.